In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble your Bionic Trimmer so you're ready to trim all around your garden. Start off by pulling the telescoping pole out until the desired length has been reached. Now, lock the pole in place by holding the main pole in one hand and twisting the telescoping pole clockwise with the other until tightened. If you need to adjust the length, twist the telescopic pole clockwise to unlock. Once finished, twist it counterclockwise to lock it in place. Next, insert the end of the telescopic pole into the safety lock bolt and tighten the bolt securely. Make sure it's nice and tight or your Bionic Trimmer won't work when you turn it on. To add the debris shield, simply align the tabs on the shield with the notches on the main body and snap it on to attach. Tighten the screw on the left hand side of the unit to secure it in place. Attach two cable ties to the red drive pin. See one of the other videos on our channel for a step-by-step instructions on how to do this. And that's all there is to it. Now you're ready to charge up your Bionic Trimmer and get trimming.